Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you Ozzi Heat review. So, you might be wondering, what is the Ozzi Heat here? What is this device? Well, what is the Ozzi Heat? Now, Ozzi Heat here is a compact electric space heater built around ceramic heating elements. Now, designed to warm a room quickly by plugging into the standard outlet. Now, that's according to the website. Now, coverage here, or coverage listed, is up to 35 square meters on some product pages and up to 1,000 square feet on others. Now, figures vary somewhat across the brand's different listing sites. Now, in this case, the features listed include an adjustable thermostat with multiple preset heat settings, commonly listed as 3, an oscillating or fan-assisted airflow to distribute warmth evenly, and a remote control on some versions. Now, a built-in timer for automatic on and off scheduling as well, and overheat or tip over protection, and a flame retardant housing. So some listings also mention a removable air filter meant to catch dust. Now, how do you exactly start using this one? Now, according to the usage here, what you need to do is you want to place the unit on a flat, stable surface away from flammable materials, then plug it into a standard power outlet. Now, use the control panel or include remote to power it on, select your heat settings, and adjust the thermostat to your preferred temperature. Now, the timer button lets you set a countdown for either automatic shutdown or shut off if the heater is on, or automatic start if it's off. Now, if the unit includes a filter, official FAQs recommend checking it periodically and replacing it if it looks clogged with dust. Now, on the pricing side here, well, the device is sold across a number of different branded listing sites, so exact checkout prices vary and weren't consistently shown as a flat number. But if you try visiting one of their website here, currently it's priced around like $49 for one device, and a lot of different promotional packages here. So most run ongoing promotional discounts, so commonly cited between like 50 to 70% off, with a stated 30-day money-back guarantee on most listings. Now, a couple of pages cite a longer 90-day trial window instead. It's worth checking the specific listings you're ordering from for the exact current price and return terms, since they differ by site or where you're actually buying from. But that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.